What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Justin Reed and this is Justin's Man Cave. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple AirPods Max. I actually filmed a version of this before I took the plastic off, and unfortunately I left the mic off, so we're having to refilm it. So I've actually taken the plastic off already. But without further ado, let's get into the box. So this is the AirPods Pro Max. It's Apple's newest version of their AirPods lineup, which is their first over-the-ear headphones version. Of course, most of you probably know. They have about a 20-hour battery life with noise cancellation and spatial audio turned on. Spatial audio is actually Apple's version of 3D audio, and it works really well with certain movies and videos if it has it where it works with it. These are the space gray model. They come in 5 different colors. They also come in silver, blue, green, and pink. As of filming this, the space gray and the silver have been the only 2 colors I've seen in any of the stores. You've had to pretty much order any of the colored ones from Apple's website, and it's about 1 to 2 months out on getting them shipped to you. These have a retail price of $549, which is a little on the higher end for headphones, but they're very premium built. They are made of pretty much all aluminum. They have a rubber top with a mesh for your head, and they also have a stainless steel frame, which is very premium, and it feels really nice. We'll go ahead and pull the plastic off the cover. Alright, and this is what they look like. So we'll pull them out of the smart case. So instead of Apple releasing a traditional case with them, they actually release what they call the smart case. And when the headphones go into the case, they actually go into a low power mode. Unfortunately, there's no way to actually physically turn them off. They only go into low power mode, but you can get several days in low power mode, but you just have to remember to charge them up if you know you're going to be using them a lot. We'll pull the covers off, and this is what the actual headphones look like. Again, the outer is all aluminum, and this is the space gray. It's not quite black, it's more of a dark gray in person. The top is more of a black though. I think they look really nice. Instead of going traditional with the buttons or a touch panel, Apple actually used the digital crown, which is what they also use on their watches. This pretty much controls everything with the exception of turning noise cancellation on and off, which is this button. If you've ever had any AirPods, you know they pair very easily to the iPhone. It's literally just a matter of getting them close to your phone, and it asks you a couple questions and you're done. When you get ready to use them, you just pop them on your head and they start playing. I'm going to be doing another video of the actual review in about a week. Of course, I just unboxed these, so I haven't gotten to use them yet, but I will be using them a lot over the next several days, and I'll be releasing a follow-up video to let you guys know what I really think. I've read a lot of reviews and watched a lot of videos myself because I've been very excited for these to come out, and there's a few concerns that people have voiced in their videos, mainly the fact that it comes with only a smart case and not a full case to protect them. As of right now, I've noticed there are a few third-party options out there, and I'm sure I'll be looking and getting one of those myself. With the aluminum, it's not as breathable. Certain people have noticed issues with having condensation on the inside. Apple hasn't addressed this yet, and I don't think it's a widespread thing. I think it's just certain situations if you're in a very humid area or if you wear them for an extended period of time. But again, for the price point, obviously, you want a product that's going to last and that you're going to feel is worth what you're paying for it. The cups are actually magnetic. They can be replaced with different colors, or if you happen to rip or lose one, and I want to say they're about $50 for the pair from Apple, and I'm pretty sure you can get them if you need to now, but more than likely they'll be a lot easier to get a little later on once they've been out for a while. Again, the actual frame itself is all stainless. And they slide in and out very smoothly, so it's basically a one-size-fit-all. You get them to fit your head, and then that's pretty much it. They power themselves on as soon as they're on your head, and when you take them off, they actually go into a sleep mode after a few minutes. So if you do take them off and sit them down, after a little bit they will go into sleep mode, but if you put them in their case, they'll pretty much go into sleep mode right away, which of course saves some battery life. The controls are on the right ear cup. You have your button on the front that turns noise cancellation on and off, and behind it you have the digital crown which adjusts your volume as well as play and stop and all your normal operations. And again, like I said earlier, if you've ever had any AirPods, you know that they pair super easy with an iPhone. It's literally just a matter of bringing them close to your phone and you'll have a screen pop up, AirPods Max. You just hit connect and that's it. It pretty much gives you a little overview of some of the features. You can skip through those if you want. It shows you a spatial audio demonstration. If you're not familiar with spatial audio from the AirPod Pros, it's something you can listen to, but again, I've been using it for the last several months on my AirPod Pros and I absolutely love it. It really changes things a lot. Again, they get about 20 hours of battery life, which is good for most people, a few days. If you do an awful lot of listening, you can get a couple days out of it. They charge with just a standard lightning cable, which it does include USB-C to lightning in the box. However, it does not include a charging block, but most people will have those if they have an iPhone already. All right, guys, well, thank you for watching my video. This has been the unboxing of Apple's new AirPods Max. Again, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like my channel. And here in the next few days, I will have a full review of what I think about them and if I think they're really worth $550. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.